Here we go. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let's see it, baby. Allegedly, supposedly. You know what, family? Oh man, family. Look, I always ask you where you from because I always want to know. I want to know and get to know the family. Let the family know where you from. But we got to come in hot right now, and I hope you can hear me. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me know if you can hear me now. Check this out, family. We got to go and do some research. I just seen something the other day, and make sure you follow me on Twitter. Twitter.com. Let's look me up. Kenan Grace. Follow me on Twitter. I'm at Kenan Grace. Right? No audio. We should be good. Check this out, family. I had tweeted this yesterday in response to something that Unusual Whales put on my radar. And it said this: CNN Business. Why inflation can actually be good for everyday Americans and bad for rich people. Now, in my opinion, this was so foolish, right? I couldn't even believe what I was reading. And the thing that I hate about this is that your average everyday person doesn't even think about inflation. And there's nothing wrong against it, but I know that they throw words like this so that when people hear it, they don't see what the real problem is. So watch this. Inflation. Let me tell you why inflation is wrong. I want you to think about every bill that you have. I want you to think about your rent, your mortgage. I want you to think about the gas, the electricity. I want you to think about buying food, family. I want you to think about all of that. Inflation is impacting the cost of living. It's impacting the cost of living. So for them to say that inflation doesn't mess you up, whenever you go to the store and then you have to pay more for something, and you like, yo, this is a bag of chips is $1.50. When I was coming up, a bag of chips was $0.25, right? And you like, yo, what's going on with that? That's inflation, family. That's inflation. You used to be able to get a pack of M&Ms for like 60 cents. And now, why can't you? Inflation. Inflation. Why is your rent going up? Why is all of these things going up, family? It's straight up inflation. Why is your insurance going up sometime? Come on now. I'm telling you this. This is one of the most ridiculous things I ever heard. When I saw this, I was like, man, that's goofy. Straight up. Straight up. I was like, yo, what? But let's keep it going. Let me know where you from in the comments, baby. I see Canada is in a building. I see Oman is in a building showing love. I see Chicago is in a building. Wisconsin is here. I see you. Maryland is in a building. Let's get it, baby. We got Texas in a building. We got the UK is here. All right, let's go. You say you really appreciate the options class, family? I appreciate you for that. You say you remember when gas was 77 cents a gallon? Come on now. Come on now. Michigan is in the building. Tampa is in the building. San Diego is in the building. Louisiana, Iraq, I see you. London, we here. Jamaica is in the building. H-Town, Jersey, I see you. Harlem, shout out to Harlem. Shout out to New York. Shout out to Charlotte, North Carolina. Shout out to Africa. Shout out to, yo, I see you, family. Kentucky, we in a building. We in a building. Indiana, I see you, family. Georgia, Pennsylvania, the whole family. Richmond, we here. Fort Lauderdale, Texas, Florida. Come on now. Yo, let's get it. I love it. This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, woo, you not going to buy the dip, and then you're going to sell low and be looking goofy. Come on now, stop playing with us. You don't want to look like what CNN just made themselves look like. That was ridiculous, family. That was ridiculous. But as I was saying, let's get to it. So as you all know, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to cover that. We got to talk about NIO because we see it bouncing off of this support level. We know, me and the Discord fam, we've been looking for entry on a very solid first strike. Remember, we like to strike at least 3 times, but we want to get a piece of the game and get up in the game soon, very soon. We've been looking for a NIO call option so we can run it. But again, Discord fam, you already know what time it is. We bouncing off of this support right here. However, it seems and appears as though that we broke under it and got to the low 34s. If I get this in the 33s, that would be great. Getting it in the 34s is great. Now, you said, Angela, you see what time it is? But let's talk about it. I would prefer to get this in the 33s, but again, you want to get in as low as possible, family. You don't want to wait forever. It's impossible to really catch the bottom, but you want to get in low. So then the run up is way less than what it would have needed to be if it was high. Now, let's keep it going. Let's start it off and let's come in here. And also, family, make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you hit the notification bell and have subscribed to the channel. Now, do we have 50% likes? No, we do not. No, we do not. We need 50% likes, family. So, at this point, We need like 900 likes. Almost. Let's just get it to 1,000, family. Take a second. Hit the bell so that we can get this out of the way. Hit the like button too so we can get this out of the way. I give you a second. I'll give you a second to do that. Let's see. All right, bet. Let's get it. 50% likes. I appreciate y'all, family. I appreciate y'all. Much love. Now, let's go. Noah, much love for the super chat, family. I'm telling y'all be showing me all this love. I appreciate you. Just know. Now, let's talk about it. Let's first start off with Shiba Inu. Let's get all of this stuff up out the way. Here we go. Shiba Inu. At the time of this recording, it's bouncing off of the 42. It's currently, you could say it's bouncing off of the 40, right? The 4 zeros and 40. So now, we are kind of testing the 45. We're finding resistance at the 45 level. My guy said this, and I appreciate you for the super chat, Holiday. He said, good morning, brother. I appreciate you. Your knowledge. Keep us blessed with the facts again. I appreciate you for that. I always tell you. I won't tell you to buy, hold, or sell, but I will give you the facts because I trust you enough to make an informed decision. Now, check this out. It's finding resistance at the 45. What does that mean? That means you don't want to buy it up at the resistance. Resistance is when it goes up and then it hits this and then it comes back down. And we know how we feel about that. Come on down and come and pick me up. That's how we rocking out, right? So, also with that in mind, and Vulcanist, I appreciate you too for the love, family. Much love. Salute, family. Now, check this out, family. You don't want to buy it on the resistances. And we got to think about resistances and supports too. We just got to cover that because everybody's like saying, yo, Kenan, could you put up some charting work and this and that and third? Like, help me out with that. Supports and resistances, family. This is 80% of the game. Supports, resistances. You don't buy things on resistances. If it hits the resistance, it's going to come back down 9 times out of 10, 7 times out of 10, and pick you up. Now, if it's hitting a support, you want to buy it there, but you don't want to go all in because guess what? It could go into the basement, so you don't go all in. So simple as that. So now that we're hitting this resistance, we could break above the resistance, and then that will become a new support. And we like that because we like to buy it on supports, right? This is why people say, oh, this thing is about to break out. Because when it breaks the resistance, it goes up and it finds new support, and then it can shoot up. So you see what I'm saying? All right. Now, one thing, and a perfect example of this was, I want to say it was a week ago or something like that. And everybody was like, oh, man, EVs are coming down, they're coming down. And then they selling Lucid right here. They were selling Lucid right here. And then next thing you know, it runs back up to 56. Now it came back down, but you got to ask yourself, are you investing? Are you buying it on the supports or are you selling it on the supports? You see what I'm saying? But look, now that we broke 2 support levels, we are now on a downtrend. So now this 50 is going to be a new resistance. But realize if it breaks above this resistance, that will become a new support, and it will be in this channel again. So you said NIO keeps going down. That's why we're not in it. That's why, in terms of just waiting to pick up, you said, where's Kenan? I'm in the building. NIO is tanking. And guess what? Come on down, baby. Come on now. Loud. We like to see it. Again, don't be fearful of stuff like this. You got to see the opportunity. You got to see the forest behind the trees, family. You just so stuck looking at the tree that you got to back up and look at the large picture. You see what I'm saying? So you said NIO might go sub 30s. In your opinion, hey, if it does, then that's an even better entry. That's an even better entry. And again, this is a play. We like the stock, but this option is a play. We don't get married to option plays, but we didn't even get in it yet to even say, oh, I'm married to it or not. You say you got a NIO at, should you buy it at 34, 33? So look, if you get a chance and you see it bottom out, what does bottom out mean? When you want to see if something has bottomed out, take a look at this. And on a large time frame, it doesn't really happen, but on a short time frame, you can see it. So here we go. Look at this. Last NIO day, we shot up to about 66. even this NIO day, let's say that we get in the play at like, I want to say 34, 33, whatever, 29, wherever, right? You get in, and then we could ride it up to 40. And then that would be crazy. That would be crazy to ride it up to 40 from 29 to 40. That's huge. Anybody who's running options and know how options work, if you ride up $5, that's crazy, crazy. So then that's all we're looking for is just to get in really, really low, and then boom, go on a rocket. Why is NIO falling down? So you could buy it. Not financial advice, but that's how you got to look at it. All right, so look, what does bottom out mean? Look at this. It came down, crashing, 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 and then it starts to kind of chill. That's what bottom out mean. So then, in this case, if you were trying to buy it after NIO day, the first time, and you caught it in the 30s or the 40s, you see, okay, it's bouncing off of like the 31. So then you would like, okay, I got one confirmation, 2, 3. So let's zoom out and let's chart this, right? What am I on? In case you want to learn how to chart very simply. Some people make charting so complicated and it's not. Tim, I appreciate you for the super chat, big dog. Much love. Thank you for keeping the lights on in here, baby. We going green. Let's get it. Oh, we already green. Let's go, baby. So we going ocean blue. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Now, let's talk about it. Look at this. Remember, when everybody is afraid, this is when the biggest opportunities are made. Think of it just like that. So we see that the support for NIO, strong support, very, very strong support, is at 30. Very, very strong support is at 30. We got one confirmation, 2, 3, and 4, right? You could argue 5, but not really right here. This one is more of a 33, 32. So the next support level, like kind of weak support level, is 33, 32. But then the floor is 33 or 30, right? So if it breaks under 30, 70, family, NIO is going into the mid 20s if it breaks the 30s. But again, you got to see the opportunity there. Now, let's say, like, for example, my guy, he just said this. I think NIO is going into the 20s. Now, if you have good reason to believe that, guess what, family? You don't have to just watch it. You've learned how to make money on the way down, especially if you've joined the options class, right? So if you think it's going there, then you make money on the way down. For example, buying a put. You see what I'm saying? Am I buying a put on this? In my opinion, it's fell so much that I'm not pressed that I need to hurry up and get a put. I'm not pressed, right? So you could, but I'm personally not. So now let's see. Apple. Let's see. Apple, it's kind of in the mid-range right now. If it came back to 160, I wouldn't be shocked. Do you think NIO will get delisted? No. Anything can happen in this world, though. Did I think the whole world was going to shut down in 2020? I didn't think that either, but look what happened, right? So it is what it is. So let's, yeah. DocuSign. Family, what am I doing right now real quick? I do want to talk about Shiba Inu, but I really, really want to get in on a play, like a real good one. So notice how this crashed after hours, right? Like literally, like after hours came, bam, they let some news out as if this wasn't going to tank the stock. But look, it tanked it. Now, what am I thinking about now, right now? Is options. So it gapped down. You could argue that this is an overreaction and will go back up. However, it might come down even more. Let's look back and see, because I want to get in on the play. Let's be clear. Somebody said the options are expensive. I bet. They'll change over time. Right? Come on now. But look, it'll change. Oh, it broke under the support already. The support was 178. So yeah, the next real support, family, I don't believe this. Let's zoom out a little bit. Hold up. We gotta check something out. All right, here we go. This makes more sense. So it just broke under it again. The next real support is about 220, 222, just about right. Family, can you hear me? 2,300 people on the live. Fit yo, mic check. I think the internet is out. Let me see. Discord fam, at me. Yo, mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check. Family, let me know if you can hear me. I'm back. Oh, let's go. You sure? Y'all saying I'm back, but I don't. Yeah, mention me. So you saying you can hear me? I can't see you at all. I can't see nothing on my end. It's, you saying you can hear me? That's crazy. All right, look. So all right, I see you in the chat. My app is frozen. Let me try to reload. Start replay buffer. Let me see something. Oh no, what am I doing? Oh no. Yeah, family. I don't know. I have no idea. But y'all can hear me, so let's just keep it going. All right, cool. So we got 3,000 people in the building. We got 50% likes. I don't know what's going on in here with this, but that threw me off. Let me try to fix this. I think it might be my Wi-Fi or something. Let me check. Here we go. All right, then. Hey, let's get it. They can't stop us, family. Here we go. Them data scientists. Yo, I'm telling you. Them data scientists. Yo, put some science related in the chat, baby. They trying to stop us, but they can't stop us. They thought they could stop us, but they can't. They can't. Stupid. Let's get it. So, we back. Let's talk about it, baby. Now, even we boys acting funny, but here we go. Shiba Inu. It's currently 4 zeros and 4-3. The resistance is 4-5. You don't want to pick it up necessarily at the 4-5. But let's keep it going, baby. We ain't going to slow down. We going to keep it going. Even better, even stronger. Come back faster, baby. We going to the Ether scan. And what we going to check out? We're going to check out SHIB. Ether scan. Shiba Inu. Bam. Why is this important? Because it tells you how many coins actually exist when CoinMarketCap and Coinbase are playing games with us. When those data scientists is in the building, you see what I'm saying? Come on now, stop playing with us. They keep playing with us, but come on now, put something science related in the chat, baby. I see you. Somebody said Bill Nye is in the house. Goofy. Yo, here we go. Here we go. Check it. All right, look. No, this isn't the right website. This isn't the right contract. Let's go to the holders. Boom. And let's zoom out a little bit. I'm all zoomed in all up in your grill. We don't need that right now. Let's zoom in and let's zoom out actually. And let's go to the holders. Let's look at the black hole wallet. I want you to see something, family, because you know me. We keep the receipts, baby. We keep the receipts. There has been hundreds of millions of burns. How do I know? This is the trillions, hundreds of trillions. This is the hundreds of billions. And this 467, this is 467 million. Shiba Inu. So watch this. And I can't see it on my end. It's so annoying. I can't see anything you're doing. I can see the chat a little bit, but I can't see anything like in terms of now I can see myself. All right. Come on, y'all, with the data science. But it is what it is. Look, 467 million. But let's look at this from, I want to say 2 days ago. Look at this. This was 391 million, right? You got 410, 255, 391. See that 391? Look at it now. They are burning SHIB in the hundreds of millions of rate. Now, we love to see that. We can't wait to see this 5 turn into a 4 right here. But we love to see it. You said Control, Alt, Delete. Family, I want to try it. I appreciate you. But that's going to shut me down. Nah, I don't know. Good looking out, family. But here we go. Yeah, check it. So they burn the Shiba Inu, and we love to see it. But now we can look at the most recent burns of Shiba Inu. And it's this. And again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm giving you the facts so you could be the judge. So 5 hours ago, there was a burn. 5 hours and 23 minutes, 8 hours, another 8 hours, 10 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours, 23 hours. When we get these burns, notice a lot of them are coming from that burn party event from, I want to say his name is either Stephen Cohen or Stephen Cooper. I always get it mixed up. But Bigger Entertainment Music or whatever, they're doing this, family. A lot of this. They're not burning crazy amounts at once, but it adds up because they're doing it so frequently. Who else is a big burner of Shiba Inu? It's crypto.com. Huge burner of Shiba Inu. You always catch them burning Shiba Inu, literally like every day. Crypto.com is on there. Crypto.com is on there. Always. But I'm telling you, nobody getting down like that burner, whatever, that burn party joint. Somebody said NIO is tanking. Family, we told you what time it is. We like that. We like that. Let's see. DocuSign. We gotta just check this out real quick, family, because it's looking like a potential put option on DocuSign. Let's see what it costs right now. Yep, turn that 5. Let's get it. Let's get it. So let's check it out. Put options for this. If you had a put for 150, you would be up what? No, implied volatility is through the roof. What does that mean? That means you don't want to stay in this long, because if it comes down on you because you're just chilling in this option, you're going to get smoked. It's called getting IV crushed, and we don't want that. So, all right, look, we got a lot of red in the EV sector. NIO is now 34. Everybody else is crying, but me, I'm seeing a huge opportunity. And look, it's about to break up. It just broke into a new low, a new relative low. So again, we just chill. And like I told you before, it's better to miss out on a play than to get in at the absolute worst time, family. It's better to miss it than to get in at the absolute worst time. But shout out to this. So we just waiting and chilling. Look, we in the 33s now. So imagine if we would have been hasty and got in the 38, we would have just been riding this wave down and battling it, averaging down the whole time. Now, you don't want to have to battle it if you don't have to. You say your DocuSign put is up 30%. I love to hear it. That's a high risk one. I might go high risk with you, though. Family. Very high risk. So, understand me. It's Friday, baby. It's high risk Friday. So, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a high risk play on DocuSign. Again, this is not for everybody to try to rock out with this. And yeah, what's up with my RSI? I need that. Ooh, way oversold. Look at that. Way oversold. This thing is just going crazy. But this is not for everybody to try to rock out with. Understand me. But I'm looking to get into a DocuSign put. Here we go. But this, I want you to understand, this thing is way crazy oversold. I'm looking for the prices right now. It's down 36%. If only, they didn't let this news out before, but if only. Let's see. So where we at? 37? Oh, my app. This is acting funny now. But let's see it. DocuSign. Yo, family, you got to see this. If you had a put from yesterday on DocuSign, there was no way you could have known, but you'd probably be rich by now. I want you to just see this. I want you to just see these percentages in one day. Anybody who had a put, I bet you the big dogs knew about it. Straight up. Rich. Check this out. This is what I can see on Webull. Look at this. 26,000%. Not 26%, 26,000%. If you went up 50%, you would have been up. If you went up 650%, you would have been up. If you went up 6,000%, you would have been up. If you went up 26,650%, geez, man. I don't know, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, but yeah, it's still tanking. So I'm trying to go for it. I'm trying to go for this ride. In the first 15 minutes of the day, though, it's spooky out here. And notice, it's way oversold on the RSI. You said so much red? That's right. It's put option season, baby. Up like 3,000%. Yeah, it's crazy. You said me and Nancy got a put. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So, yeah, I'm telling you, Webull can't even keep up with how fast this is dropping. Not here. Because on my phone, what I'm seeing is, oh my goodness, this is coming down. Like crazy. Let's see. Okay, now it's shooting back up a little bit. High, very, extremely volatile play. And it's a red day. Yeah, family, people going to get spooked. Spooked on this one. Let's go to the minute chart. Here we go. Y'all really got to update this app. So it looks like it's coming back up to pick some folks up. So now I'm about to get into a very high risk play. One day, high risk play. Let me see the open interest on this. It's low. You don't want low open interest, to be honest. You rather it be high. but it is what it is. It'll probably go up as time goes on. So it's oversold right now, but it's coming back up a little bit. You want this, you don't necessarily want this to be down here. But remember, this is just momentum. This is just momentum. It could still fall down if everybody wakes up and they're like, oh my goodness, I had DocuSign yesterday at 200 and now it's this, I'm out. Okay, so let's see. While we wait for that, let's check out some other things. Let's see, Rivain. Rivain is really holding up in the 100s. Like, let's be clear on that. Really holding up. Yeah, I wish I could have gotten to a DocuSign put out the gate, family. We would have been on a big rocket. Let's see. But again, anything you do today, a one-day one, if you have no day trades, pass on the day trades, right? You don't want to lock yourself in. You don't want to lock yourself in. Okay, here we go. Still, what's up with you? What's up with you? Let's see. And these puts is getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Come on, pop back up. Show us that retracement, baby. Remember, downtrend, retracement means a little pop. Somebody said NIO is in the 33s. Yeah, we don't have to babysit it. Because I'm not in any calls right now. I'm waiting to get into a call. And I've been being very patient with this. Me and the Discord fan, we've been extremely patient. You said Palantir is about to go under 19? Yeah, I see that too. Again, this is why we in the 2023 calls on this one. This one gonna need some time, baby. Definitely. And I'm chilling. We're not in a rush. But, okay, let's see. Where are we? DocuSign. It's coming back up. Come on. Yo, RSI, what's up with you? I really got to re-upload this app. So here we go. I'm jumping into one right now. So what I'm going to do here is a live trade. I'm not going to do let me see, 110 of them. I'm going to share it right here with you. Let me see. Yeah, this one is really, really getting crazy. I'm trying to get a good price, family. Let me throw 5 in there. I want this RSI to pump up, though. I don't want to just get caught right here. But I feel like it's just going to tank. All right. Here we go. Pump up, baby. Show us what time it is. Play the technicals. Here we go. Here we go, DocuSign. Come on, baby. Come on up and pick me up. You say you averaging down on a NIO call? Remember, take your time. Take your sweet time. Take your sweet, sweet time. Never rush with it. When you rush, you're going to get smoked. Look, now I'm getting smoked. I didn't get to get in. And look at me trying to get an optimal entry. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm putting my bid in right now. See if I can get in. Come on. Come pick me up, baby. Come on. Now Weeble just crashed on me. Come pick me up. Come on, DocuSign. I'm trying to play it. I'm telling you this, family. Very, very, very high risk day trade. This is a 1 day. Today's the 3rd. I'm going to put it on a watch list on the Discord so you can see which one I'm trying to play. But I'm trying to day trade and get a crazy good entry on it. So understand that. And this thing is really running. It's running from me. But I'm trying to get in at a good price. So look, I'm going to just show you on the Discord, on the watch list. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Discord link is in the top of the chat. All right, so let me sit down. I'm still not in, but it's pumping up, so it's coming to get me. There we go. All right. So family, I'm day trading this. And I'm about to jump out. Yo, I'm about to jump out. Here we go. Here we go. And I'm about to jump out. And then try to get back in. So I'm going to try to jump out and get back in. So I'm day trading this. The reason that I'm advising not everybody try to get in on this one is because it's very challenging to do day trades. It's hard to explain. You got to have skill. It's like I was talking about yesterday, how you got to, hold up. I got in at my entry was solid. Now I'm looking to let go of some of this. So check this out. I just jumped in and I just made a quick $600 on this. Right? Yep. So let's go. So I just made a quick, what's that on that? And what am I doing? The reason I'm focused, like crazy focused, is because I'm live trading this. But look, I'm getting out of it right now. Let me just double check. Let me see what it's doing on the chart. Because maybe I won't have to. Yeah, I'm not going to get greedy. I'm just going to jump out and leave it as. I made money. And again, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to look back on this and I'm going to be thinking to myself, yo, why didn't you hold on? But again, when you take profit on something, it's always good. It's always good. Oh, no, look, it's tanking. I'm just about to hit sell, and now it's dropping like a rock. Yo, let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, I get on here and live trade so you can see it done. So you can see how it works and how it goes. Yo, this is going bananas. Look at this. Very high risk. 1 day play. 1 day. Get in, get up, and get out. Your boy just made $1,200 real quick. And I'm going to keep it real. I made $1,200. So what am I going to do? Right? This is a lesson. I want you to put some headphones in the chat, baby. Headphones in the chat. It's going up still. It's still going up. This is going crazy. So look. Now I'm up 36, 38. 38%. Now I'm up 38%. I'm up 40%. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. 42. 42. I'm about to sell off. So look, this I'm up 42%, which is $1,600 right now. So this one is going bananas. High risk. 1 day though. 1 day play. What I'm looking to do is to let her go. Right? This is good enough for me. I hate to say it, but I'm going to keep some skin in the game, but I want to keep the skin in the game that is lower than whatever the profit is, I'll leave some of that in, right? So now I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell out of, let's call it, I have 5, I'll sell 4. Let's see what DocuSign is doing right now. Pumping back and up, it's still going. Still. Remember, you never want to get greedy. You want to make money on the way down, but it's still going. But again, this is good enough for me. This is good enough for me. Taking a 40%. Let me see. 43. Yo, DocuSign is really, really. If you in a DocuSign put, let me know in the comments. Because you got to be going bananas. Yo. This is really printing right now. So yeah, I can't hold on to this. I can't. So I'm selling out some of them. So all right, it is what it is. I might get back in, but okay. I might get back in, but for now, I gotta take it and go. So look at this. Watch this. I'm gonna show you exactly what I just did. I'm in the game, free of charge. For example, where my screenshots at? That's why I'm focused, right? Because I like to tell you that you could really make a full-time living just by knowing what you're doing. When you're in these plays, you got to really know what you're doing, right? So check this out. I'm in the game with house money. I'm out here live. I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it raw. I jumped in. I showed the Discord fam which one I got in before I got in it. Now, I don't expect you to have been able to get in it because this one is just like a crazy one-day volatile play, especially if you're new. I wouldn't advise this yet, but I want to just show you what's possible and what can be done. So check this out. Check this out. I was up 45. I was up $1,700. I got out of it, right? I was like, all right, look, that's enough. But I still see potential for this to drop. Oh, yeah, now it's at 48. But remember, now it's at 48. And let me just share this with the screen. And again, join the Discord so then you can see the plays. I don't expect even the Discord members to have necessarily been able to play this how I'm playing it, but I want to teach you how to do it. That's the thing. I teach you how to do it so then you know how to fish, so then you're not dependent on nobody, including even me. I want you to learn and I want you to be great. So check this. I sold it at this price at 45 and it was worth $1,700. Now I have 5 of them. I have 5 contracts. I sold 4 of the contracts and now I just have 1 contract in the game and I paid $755 for that $775 for that contract. So now, look, family, I'm in the game with free money. Who gave me this $700 to play this? Them. They gave me this. So now, whether it goes to 0 or it goes all the way up, family, listen, whether it goes to 0 or up, I'm a win. I'm a win. It doesn't matter. This could go to 0 or it could go to $1 million. I've already won. I've already locked in 775 minus, or 1747 minus 775. I've already locked in $1,000 in profits. And it's still going up. Yo, let's go. Let's go. So, hold up. Let's win. You said that's why you soak up so much? Let's win, baby. Let's win. You said the notepad. Let's go. Is the live stream frozen? I hope not. I hope not. I hope he's still in the building. Again, y'all had to see me. I seen the opportunity. So again, when I see an opportunity, I let the Discord fam know. But I will let you know if it's very high risk. You said there's no better feeling than investing in a house. Yo, I'm telling you right now. So the family telling me to check out NIO. Remember, we want NIO to come down, family. I hope that you not. All right, let's take a second. Let's take a second. We ran a $45 call. I want to say a week, if not 2 weeks ago. I said this. Let's make money on this $45 call. We might have been up 30%, might have been up 20%, whatever. I said, yo, I'm looking to get into a $40 call. We rolling out of this positive in the green. We rolling out of the 45. Let's get into the 40. But let's wait. And then it kept hitting. And those of you who've been rocking with me, you know this. It kept hitting the 38. Kept hitting the 38, hitting the 38. And we like, yo, You said live coaching. I'm telling you, we do it live. We win together, we lose together, but we learn together so then we can hit big and win. So then, check me out. So we got, and the reason I don't got to babysit this one, because guess what, family? I didn't get greedy and I sold it right here. And now I got free money in the game, right? I got free money in the game. And then you say easy money, let's go. Let's go. So then check us out. Let's go back to this. And the funny thing is, now I could jump back in this one. I could jump back in this one, and then I could make money, more money on the way back now. I could put another 1,000 on it and then average down again. Or average down when I didn't do it before. I could average down right here with the money that they gave me and then go down. But it is what it is. So look, NIO is at 30, right? Okay, so let's finish the story. We got out of the $45 call. All YouTubers were talking about NIO hitting $45, pumping it for NIO Day. All scums are shorting it. Pathetic. Hey man, we can't control what's going on with the market, but I will tell you this: we could play it on the way down and on the way up. So now this is the story. We got into a $45 call. Boom. We made money on the $45 call, even though it didn't hit 45 because we got out before expiration. Right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, family, hit the Discord link, take the options class, do yourself a favor so you don't have to pay so much tuition, right? And what do I mean by tuition? I mean the cost you have to pay to learn on the stock market. And it's very expensive when you losing money because you don't get that back right away. So now we got out of the $45 call, right? And those who in the Discord, you know, I said, yo, look, I'm looking to get out of this 45 and then boom, I want to get into the 40. And then it kept hitting the 38, hitting the 38, hitting the 38. And like I told you, when you keep retesting those supports, family, headphones in the chat. I'm dropping a gem on you right now. I want you to really understand that. Headphones in the chat. So when it kept hitting that support, the 38 support, I told the Discord family this, and I know you remember. I said, look, you rather miss out on this play than to get in at the worst time, right? You rather miss it than get in at the worst time. So then we waited. And then it comes down to 34. We like, yo, this looks like a good entry. Let's see if it bottoms out here. What do I mean by bottom out? I mean start to consolidate a little bit, right? Just a little bit. Let's see. So then, you know what? It isn't consolidating, and now it's in the 32s, family. So now, while everybody else is crying, those of us who played the game how it was supposed to be played, we don't even need it to go to 45 anymore. We could ride, imagine this, riding it from 42 all the way up to 50 is the same distance as riding it from 32 all the way to 40. You see what I'm saying? So we could ride this wave all the way to 40 now, while everybody else is waiting for it to hit 50, waiting for it to hit blah, blah, blah. And we could ride the wave up to 40. So then I want you to understand the lower it comes down, the better. Come on down. Come on down. You got to think of stocks like climbing up a ladder, right? If you get on and you get on one step of the ladder, like you low on a ladder, your fall is not far. But the higher you go up, the harder the fall, family. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. So if we could catch this on the bottom, then that's great. We love that. If we can catch this on the bottom, that's absolutely great. And that we trying to, Bruce, hit the Discord link. If you don't understand, is NIO bouncing? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And let me tell you this. I want to say 30 or so maybe 30 might just be the support. Let's zoom out because we're looking for a NIO call. 30 might be the support, right? If we could get in at 30 or 31 or something like that, family, come on now. Come on now. I got you. I got you. I always got you. And y'all already got us at 50% likes. I love y'all, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you this. How do you know it ain't going to dip anymore? You will never know for 100% sure. So then you got to add another strategy. The other strategy is, first, you could do it multiple ways. You can get some skin in the game. Let's say you get one, right? Let's say you wanted to get 20, but you just get one. Contract. Okay, you could do that. Or you could put in, let's say you wanted to get 20 and you get 5. It depends on your risk tolerance, right? At that point. But you want to see it hit a support. Now, in my opinion, the 30 to 32 range is a support. It is a support. So we are, in my opinion, in a very, very, very optimal range to jump in to it right now. To be honest, 34 was pretty good. But seeing this is great. Seeing this is great. So Kenan always got it. I'm telling you this right now, family. I'm telling you this. I promise. I promise you that I'm really looking out. I'm really looking out. And I get on here and I'm willing to do live trading like we just did with this. Because I want you to really, I don't want to get on here so you think I'm bragging or nothing. I want you to get on here so you can learn from me. Like, for example, I had 5 contracts at a DocuSign. Notice I picked up 5 out the gate, right? I was ready to pick up 20, but I don't pick up 20. I pick up 5 because what if I was not in an optimal entry right now? Then I could put another 5 in and get my average down. But as soon as I got in, it tanked. It tanked in a good way because I'm in a put option. If you don't know what that means, family, on the stock market, you can make money on the way down. It's called buying a put, but you got to know how to do it. Join the options class. Again, I'm telling you this. And again, if you're in the Discord, I don't charge you extra for it. I just let you have access to it because I want you to learn. I want you to learn. So now, I made $1,700 on it. Guess what? I took most of my money out to play and I just left it in, so I had $700 in. So that means I locked in $1,000 worth of profits. So whatever happens to this 700, who cares? I already locked in 1,000 profit, even if I lose this 700 that they gave me, that DocuSign gave me. This is my money. This is DocuSign's money. I'm playing with house money, baby. It is what it is. So I'm in the game free of charge, baby. It's called playing house money. You can think of it like this. Imagine you go to the casino and you walk in with $5 and then you know what? You make $100. Bam. And then you basically made 95. Look, you walk in with $5 and then you make $95 in the casino, right? Off of a $5 bill. That $95 is house money, family. So if you was in there and then all of a sudden, let's say you lost $50 and then you still left with $50 in your pocket, family, you came up. You came up. And you know what, family? Look at this. It's still that house money that I left in the game. I'm telling you, I'm out here doing it live, baby. I'm out here doing it live. Watch this. It's almost in a home run range. It's almost in a home run range. And I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying this to educate you because I want you to see what can be done. Notice how everybody else, I promise you, no disrespect. I'm sure there's all kind of people, and the truth should never be considered disrespect. I'm sure there's all kind of people crying right now about how the market is coming down. I want you to learn how to make money when the market is coming down. Learn how. Learn how. And sometimes you're going to lose. But if you know how to do it, then you will learn how to win. You will learn how to win. Okay, check me out. 60% now. It was this. Now it's this. So we love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. But again, it's free money. It's just free money. So how is it free money? Because I took the profits from this, that 17, and I took it out. And I left the 700 in there. And now I locked in 1,000 of profit, and then I got their $700 in this working for me. Now, let's go to an example though. Let's say that I just made $1,700 on this, even though you could argue that I made 2,000, almost 3,000. This plus this, right? Just about. No, I'm sorry. This plus this. So I made 2,000. Let's imagine that I made $2,000 today, because I want you to really understand. And the stock market, like me and T-Bone always saying, you got to play offense and you got to play defense. Let's say that I made 2,000, and then tomorrow I lose, or on Monday, let's say I lose 500 on a play, right? I made 2,000 today. I lose 500 on Monday, right? Boom. I'm up 1,500. Let's say that the next day after that, I lose 300. Man, I'm on a losing streak, man. What's going on? Let's say the next day I lose 100. I'm still up 1,100. And then let's say the next day I make 300. Oh, look, I'm up 400. The next day I make 100, because I tell you all the time, I like $100 bills. They add to this. Let's say the next day I make $50. Okay, great. And then eventually, remember, you never get greedy, but sometimes you're going to hit big. And then boom, I make $1,000 again. Yeah, let's go, right? Look, I'm making money. So let's say that in a month or so of doing this, these are my numbers. Up 2,000, down 500, down 300, down 100, up 300, up 100, up 50, up 1,000. That just means if I did that, wins and losses together, family, I made $2,550 in a month. That's great. That's an extra, let's divide that by 4. That's an extra $600 a week. So what I'm saying that, I want you to really, really understand that These things can be done, and you gotta take the wins with the losses, but win more than you lose. How do you win more than you lose? You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta understand what you're doing and understand the game, and that's really it. Understand the game. You gotta also protect the cash position. That's right. That's right. So let's keep it going, family. Let's just keep it going. So now let's see. Man, y'all got me hype. I'm telling you. Y'all got me so hype. Let me just make sure. So I said, okay, Shiba, we talked about that. NIO, we talked about that. AMC, we got to talk about that. So the and in this video is DocuSign, and the title is DocuSign. But AMC, we got to get to it because a lot of people, I'm telling you, do not let these hedge funds wear you down. Do not let them wear you down. AMC is in the 28, and I'm not telling you to hold. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to sell. What I want to do is understand that I'm going to give you the facts and give you the receipts because I trust you, family. I trust you enough to make an informed decision. Now, here we go. You say you up 4,000 on DocuSign. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. But let's check it. It's coming down. The support is 26. I'm finally down on my AMC position. I've been up for a long time. I'm finally down. Finally. What do I mean by finally? For the first time in a while, I'm down. However, this DocuSign is printing, but everything else that I'm holding long is killing me. So, for example, let's look. Palantir is in the $18 range. It's tanking. I am Discord fam on the Palantir put, because again, I keep it real. I keep it raw all of the time. I'm down 30%. I'm down 30%. Hold up. I'm down 30%. But I want you to understand that even this was done with precognition, baby. What do I mean? I'm prepared, not surprised. So I have two contracts. They're currently worth $500. I paid $800. I'm down $258. But family, 5 P's, baby. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. What do I mean by that? Look at my time frame. Not January 2023. I'm in 2022, which is in a month. January 2023. You see what I'm saying? I'm prepared, not surprised. I'm sure, and you can't predict the future, but I'm sure we could get over 25 by that time. Especially if I buy another contract and average down. And notice, look at this. On this DocuSign one, I'm still up more than I lose. I'm up $400 on this, 60%. And this one's down 200%. But guess what? That's not it. That's just one of them. Look at this same DocuSign one. I'm up 17. I'm up I'm up basically 2,000 and down 200. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? But let me show you on another note, because again, I'm telling you, family, join the Discord. I'm telling you this because we want you to be a part of our community and just learn with us so then you can make money too. And you cannot be fearful. Like what I could do right now is I could be like, oh my God, Palantir is $18. What am I going to do? Or I could say, yo, I planned on this going in the opposite direction. I'm always prepared. I told you, we're not Superman. We're Batman. We got to prepare for the fight because we are not bulletproof. We are not faster than the speed of sound. We are not stronger than a locomotive. So then we got to prepare for how we're going to deal with a market that ain't playing fair. When Batman fights the Joker, he know the Joker ain't playing fair. So guess what? He got to totally prepare for the unpredictable person or the unpredictable events that will be set forth in front of us. We got to prepare for that. So now, understand, that's why you see this Palantir call. It's 2023. I knew from the jump that I was getting out of this DocuSign thing the moment I was up. Rule of thumb. Rule of thumb. If it's good enough to take a screenshot, it's good enough to take profits, baby. And that's what I did. I said, oh, look, screenshot, I'm out to play. You know what I'm saying? But I got some free money in the play right here. And family, it's still going. It's still going. Hold up. I'll be right back. My allergies killing me, family. Give me 1 second. Yo, I almost blew a snot bubble on live. Hey, I'm back. Yo, today was lit. Yo, I gotta keep it real. I gotta keep it raw. I'm one of you, baby. We family. It's all good. Some of y'all got the I ain't even gonna go there. It is what it is. Let's win. Let's win. I love it. So, family, look, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna keep it real with you all the time. I want you to hit the like button. My guy said, Johnny, fire analogy. You feel me? You feel me, baby? He's talking about what? He's talking about the he's talking about the Batman thing. We gotta be Batman, and we dealing with the Joker. We know they not playing fair, baby. But again, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna see you on Discord Live. I'm about to switch over to Discord Live. If you want to get up on the Discord Live with us, then hit the link in the top of the chat. It's a rocket right there. It says Discord Community. Right? Come on over there. I'm gonna post my video to the announcement section on the Discord, so then you could come on in. So Discord fam, I will see you, and I want to say like 8 minutes, baby. Like 8 minutes or so. I got to let some more people into the Discord, help them out. I see you on the Discord Live. Hit the like button on your way out. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. But again, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. And again, don't let them tell you that inflation ain't eating your money away. That's goofy. I love y'all. Take care.